Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the audio and opening the correct settings. Convert or trim to MP3 or WAV. Smaller than 1 MB helps. Once done, move the file to an accessible folder like Downloads or Files. Make sure your phone's storage permission is enabled for the Settings or Sound app so the system can read user files. You'll use the file picker next, so keep the audio visible and named clearly. This avoids confusion in the next step. Now open Settings, then Sound, and tap Notification Sound. You may see an add or plus button. Tap it to launch the system file picker. Navigate to the Downloads or Files folder and select your prepared MP3 or WAV. The picker will return you to the sound screen. Press Preview to hear it. If it plays correctly, tap Apply or OK to set it. If the option is missing, make sure you used a supported format and the file is in an accessible directory. Finish by triggering a test notification so you can confirm the sound in real time. If the audio does not appear in the picker, move the file into the System Notifications or Ringtones folder using a file manager. That ensures the sound is indexed. Once moved, return to Notification Sound and select it. If you still don't see changes, restart the device. Rebooting forces a media rescan and usually resolves indexing delays, making your custom notification active.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.